Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm Sugandh Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Acre Certified Drupal 8. Today we will learn in step 7 in CI/CD pipeline how I'm gonna create a playbook in Ansible server. For this, we'll first go to Putty and open our session for Ansible server. As you can see, I am successfully logged into my Ansible server. Now here I need to give sudo su command to have my root access. So here you can see I'm now at my root. Now what we need to do is for creating the playbook, we need to provide one source folder. Okay, so for that I'm creating one folder, name source code. cd into source code. If I do ls, I'm not having anything in this folder, right? Now I'll create playbook.yaml file. And I'm having this code, I'll just simply copy this one and paste it in my YAML file. So here we have the file playbook.yaml in our source code. So what we just need to understand is what exactly Ansible does is it will deploy the code on the server, on the web server, and it will get some code from any source folder. Fine. So for the source folder, it will pick the code from the opt folder where the index.html file resides, and then push it over where html folder, which is the destination corresponding to your web server. Now the question is how the source source folder will get this index.html file. So the answer is it will get this when your compilation gets triggered and your job gets triggered on the Jenkins server. Okay, so when your job gets triggered on the Jenkins server, an index.html file will get created in the opt folder. Okay, and the Ansible will pull that file from the opt folder and push it over the web server. So this is the small process of deployment, how your particular file will get deployed on the web server. So Ansible basically does the work of bridging the gap between the Jenkins server and your web server. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. Thank you and have a great day.